Monsoon 2023 has already started and we are moving forward towards August already. Well, there are some places in our country where monsoon is directly proportional to danger, but in other places it's significant sign of peace, calmness and relief. India looks so beautiful and so peaceful during the season of monsoon and Maharashtra is definitely not an exception for this. लोगों को नेचर में रहना, घूमना, ट्रेक्स पे जाना, कैंपिंग करना बहुत पसंद है एंड देयर आर सो मेनी प्लेसेस इन आवर कंट्री दैट वी मस्ट विजिट ड्यूरिंग द मानसून एंड पुणे इज डेफिनेटली वन ऑफ देम. There are so many hidden places near Pune that we must visit during monsoon. But here in this video, I'll tell you about top 10 must visit places during monsoon near Pune. Lonavala is one of the most visited places during the season of monsoon in India, जो कि मुंबई से 96 तो पुणे से 64 किलोमीटर्स की दूरी पे आता है. लोग यहाँ बाय रोड ट्रैवल करना पसंद करते हैं जस्ट टू टेक इन ऑल द ब्यूटी, ऑल द ग्रीनरी ऑफ आवर नेचर अलॉन्ग विद द ब्यूटीफुल रेन. Lonavala is also famous for the uncountable number of waterfalls, beautiful lakes, historical sites, and of course, the view. The second place in our list is Khandala, which is 3 kilometers away from Lonavala. Karle and Bhanje Caves, Sunset Point, Tigers Point, Tung Fort, Rajmachi Point, and the famous Bhushi Dam, etc. are some of the places to visit in Khandala. And if you are adventure lover, then Kamshet paragliding is also one of the famous spot to visit in Khandala. And if you are in Lonavala and Khandala, then Imagica and Wet n Joy are also near you, so please do visit. पुणे से 120 किलोमीटर की दूरी पे आता है कोलाड सिटी, जिसको ऋषिकेश ऑफ महाराष्ट्र भी कहा जाता है. Some of the attractions of the city includes the Kundalika River, which is the hub of white water rafting in the region. 25,000 एकर्स में फैला हुआ लवासा शहर पुणे से कुछ 65 किलोमीटर्स की दूरी पे है. लवासा जाके आप प्रोबेबली भूल जाओगे दैट यू आर इन इंडिया बिकॉज द स्ट्रक्चर्स, द बिल्डिंग्स, द स्ट्रीट्स ओवरऑल गिव्स यू द ग्लिम्सेस दैट यू आर आउट ऑफ कंट्री, यू आर इन सम फॉरेन कंट्री. लवासा अपने वाटर स्पोर्ट्स के लिए फेमस है अलॉन्ग विद द बर्ड्स पॉइंट, जहाँ पे आप अलग अलग जाति प्रजाति के पक्षियों को देख पाओगे. Andharban literally translates to dense forest and it is a trek that goes to this forest of Andharban and it is said to be beginner friendly. And you should definitely visit this while visiting Murshi Dam and Kundalika Valley. The next in our list is Tamni Ghat, जो कि अपने uncountable number of waterfalls के लिए famous है. अगर आप एडवेंचरस लवर हो देन क्लिफ जंपिंग करने का आपको मौका मिलेगा इन बेड़गांव वाटरफॉल, जो कि देवकुंड वाटरफॉल से काफ़ी नज़दीक है एंड देवकुंड वाटरफॉल इज़ ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द मेजर अट्रैक्शंस. पुणे से 33 किलोमीटर्स की दूरी पे है मुर्शी, जो कि अपने सुंदरता और अपनी ग्रीनरी के लिए काफ़ी फेमस है. डिवोटीज कैन विजिट द सिग्निफिकेंट वनजाई टेम्पल वाइल विटनेसिंग दिस मैजेस्टिक व्यू ऑफ द स्पेक्टेकुलर सह्याद्री रेंजेस. Loaded with the greenery and majestic view of nature, Marshes Ghat is definitely one of the peaceful places to visit during monsoon. One can definitely lose their mind while witnessing the beauty of Marshes Ghat. Shivneri Fort, which is the birthplace of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, can also be visited during the visit of Marshes Ghat. 12 ज्योतिर्लिंगों में से एक, जो कि पुणे से कुछ 110 किलोमीटर की दूरी पे है, Bhimashankar is one of the most visited places during the monsoon and the month of Shravan. Devotees of Lord Shiva from all around the world visit the temple during this month. Covered with the beautiful nature, Bhimashankar is definitely a place to visit during monsoon. Mahabaleshwar and Pansagani both are the hill stations of Maharashtra. Both the cities are famous for its scenic view, historic sites and beautiful nature. Blessed with the flora and fauna, both the hill stations radiate peace and calm. Pavna Lake camping is one of the famous places in Pune to visit. People spend a day here doing all the fun activities under the warmth of nature. सिंहगढ़ फोर्ट, जो कि महाराष्ट्र की हिस्ट्री का एक सिग्निफिकेंट हिस्सा है, is one of the most frequently visited places in Pune. Not only in monsoon, but people love to visit Sinhagad in general. But during the period of monsoon, when Sinhagad Fort is covered by all the greenery, People love to do a Sinhagad trek and take in all the beauty of the nature. These were the must visit places during monsoon near Pune. Please let us know in the comment section below what are your favorite places to visit during monsoon and what do you want to add on in the list. Please like the video, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.